I love UrbanMali, not because I'm its mentor. Dog-friendly garden, cactus garden, Indian spice garden, skincare garden, green wall, balcony fruit garden, cultural garden, recycle paint box garden, shade garden, organic garden, hanging garden, backyard gardening, indoor garden, fruit garden, mother's health garden, bottle garden, cheers, teacup garden, sculpture garden, hair care garden, native landscaping, cancer care garden, rock garden, zen garden, traditional greens garden, seasonal garden, aromatic garden, vegetable garden, square foot gardening, indoor garden, balcony garden, cough and cold garden, vertical garden. Who wouldn't love UrbanMali? Do you need another reason to love UrbanMali? Your friendly neighborhood gardener, UrbanMali.